twisted shirt. I'm not dirty. I use this shirt for when I used to dye my hair black all the time. Good morning, guys. It's stupid early. It's like 5:30. I probably spent 15 minutes on my eyebrows. I usually take like an hour, so I've improved a lot. If this video comes out bad, I'm gonna be really sad because yesterday night, basically a couple hours ago, I was really motivated to film, even though I'm sick. Smart idea, right? I know. I'm just gonna be showing you how I do my makeup every day for school. I'll see what mood I'm in once I start putting on makeup, if I want to do lashes or not, but the face is gonna be the same. I don't wear eyeshadow unless it's Wednesday because I dress up every Wednesdays, or Fridays because I have a football game. And I do the same eyeshadow for football game because I don't want to deal with trying to do different looks. So when it comes to starting with my base of my face, I'm hecka extra. That's not a word. I always start off with the moisturizer. This is the Clinique one. I always like to try things out first. That's why I have the mini, and I like it. So who knows if I'll buy it again. I think because the big one is like $30, but this lasts a long time, so we'll see. Something I forgot to do today, kind of mad because I've been trying to get my skin clear, is I always put some hand sanitizer on my hands, but can't go back. Then I'm using the Becca Full Light Priming Filter Primer. I like to use this one around my nose. I don't know why. I like to tap everything into my smile lines too, because now I'm gonna use my Cover FX Blurring Primer. I don't know how much she is, but I think she's kind of expensive. I don't know. I know my second primer. Now you don't have to use as much, but I just like to make sure whatever below my face, I mean under the surface, is nice. Now I'm gonna take my Milani Conceal Perfect 2-in-1 foundation in 04 medium beige and take this Infallible Pro Glow by L'Oreal in 210. I put this one right here and this one right here and right here. So yeah, basically that's my face. And I pump little dots like that, and then I just spray it out with the bottom because I don't feel like getting my hands dirty. I used to like put dots, but I don't like getting my hands dirty. My forehead. I do like this foundation. I want to get it in a lighter shade though. Very well used beauty blender that I need to clean. Using the Tarte Shape Tape. Foundation and put it right on top. Don't ask me why I just started doing that. I don't know, okay? It goes away real easily, so I don't know. I feel like it kind of makes the Shape Tape a little bit thinner because the Shape Tape's very thick. Pro powder and banana. Like I said, update. I quit my job. Or really, like, I didn't stop showing up, but I would ask people to take my shift all the time, and I think I told her, like, my boss, I wasn't going to be able to come in today because I had a dance event. She was just like being really rude about it. And I think all my managers that I used to work at, where I used to work at, were really rude, and none of them seemed like they liked their job. And this is a job where you have to like your job because you work around kids. So if you don't like your job, then why do you work there? I mean, I get it, you have bad days, but is every day a bad day? Like, I get it. You work on the happiest place on earth, but come on. That sounds like Disney World. I did not work at Disney, so don't think that. But now I'm kind of sad because I'm broke, girls. But not broke because I say I'm broke because I already know what I'm gonna buy, but it's not for me, okay? It's not for me. Now I'm gonna take my Bare Minerals Invisible Light thing and press the matte side into my face. Okay, after I do this, obviously your face is gonna be super powdery, so what I like to do is put my bronzer and blush on, and then I spray my face and set it, but I'm not done yet. Okay. The bronzer I'm using is the Morphe bronzer well, it's a contour and bronzer, and it's the Front of Me one. I just kind of go over both of them because they work together, okay? Blush and Desert Rose. I've been loving this blush. I forgot what blush I used to use. Oh, never mind, I remember. But this one's like, oh, kind of gives it like a peach. I put a lot of blush on my nose, ladies. A lot. I pack this, like, this is a pressed powder into my nose. It doesn't last all day, so that's why I don't worry about it too much. Probably thinking I'm crazy for putting this much blush and bronzer on, but I love it like this. Now to set all the powder into my face, I use the Cover FX Illuminizing Setting Spray. I love this because it's like a mist, so yes. Good morning. You know, how are you gonna walk into a room and just start talking? How am I gonna do a video without saying good morning? Good morning. Now I'm gonna go into highlighter, and this is, I hate when products start to, like, their logo starts to come off. This is the Tarteist Pro Glow, I think. It kind of came off, but I know it's Tarte, so. And then this has a little bit of highlighter. It's just a Wet n Wild brush, and I just like to blend that out, even though it's a cream and it's probably already set, but I like to blend that out around like the blush and everything. Try to make it a little bit nicer. I'm trying to use the Becca highlighter. I don't want this to go to waste, so I'm gonna try to use it again. My friend wears it and it always looks super good on her, so Now I'm going to use the Wander Beauty Unlashed Volume Curl Mascara. You probably can't see my little bitty eyelashes, but I might. I might put some small eyelashes on. We'll see. But yeah, that's it for the makeup. I hope y'all liked it. It's super easy, but if you don't like to wear this much makeup, then I do have a different routine that I do that's an everyday basis for starters, but it's my 5-minute makeup. So I don't know when I'm gonna upload that. Maybe when I'm actually doing it. I'll film it one time, like today. Like, I was like, might as well film it because I'm doing it, so. But that's it, guys. I'll end the video at school because I don't want to end it here. Might as well make it a little fun. Hate school.